Don't tag num. Okay. I'll be sharing you my screen. You guys don't remember any kind of topics. Then how could I teach? And if you will be feeling bored if I say the same concept again and again. Guys, you came only 50 to 60 people today. Even you will be leaving the class once I started those repeated topics. Right. All right. You have completed data types, right? Can anyone respond in chat box? I was asking you since 5 minutes. No one is responding on question and answer box. Okay then. All right. After explaining all the concept, you don't say that we don't know anything, ma'am haven't explained anything. If I heard that kind of words, I'm unable to tolerate because I was spending time with you to get to know you. Like how much we have completed and what is there to complete. Was trying to know, but no one is responding to me. And you don't have any right to say that you have completed only this part you haven't mentioned this part. There's no right to tell. Alright, I'll be starting my class. Creating message is a topic in Python. This is similar to it. We use the array function to create arrays. What we use? We use array function to create arrays. This function can be take an optional argument, that is d type. D type is nothing but data type. You already know that. We have done in Python also. I think you remember this, right? It's up to you. If you practice, you will be remembering. If you don't practice, you will not remember anything. It's up to you. That allows us to define the expected data type of an array elements. What D type will do? It will define the expected data types of the particular array elements. It will give you the data type of particular array. What I have taken import numpy as np, where array equals to np dot array. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Data type is equals to string. Print array of data type. What is this int 32? Why we are getting 32, 35 or some kind of float 46 like that? Why we are getting all those? Can I get the answer please? If I give you the mic axis, you'll be talking all nonsense rather than the important things. I have already told you, right? In 32, in 60, float 64, like that, few values will be coming. I'll be showing this. D type is nothing but data type. What I have to print? I have to import numpy as well as I have to define an array with values of numpy dot array of such some values, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever you wish for. Print array dot d type, that is data type. Now you run the code. Before running, you have to save the code. I'll be saving it in the downloads. Post, save. You can see here we got int 32. Why we are getting this kind of thing? Because it depends on bytes. How many bits it can transfer the data, like it can hold the data. It depends on its bits value. So it is printing in 32. Let me show you one thing. I want to print 1.9, 2.5. I want to print float value. If I get you can see here it is float 64. Why float is 64, you can ask me. Because it depends upon its byte value, the integer or the float which always like which can hold number of bits of data. Number of bytes of data is said to be that number. Like is said to be in 14, 32 and float 64 is nothing but that number. I hope you got it. Right. Even if I give string values here. Does it take string values? Anyone? Guys, does it take string values or not? Anyone text on question answer box. Does it take? Giving string values to it. Just tell me, does it take string values? Does the array hold string value or not? Does it runs? What it is saying? U1. What is meant by U1? What is meant by U1? I will be giving you the mic as I need the answers. Without getting the answers, I can't teach you the class. What is U1, guys? I need to get the answer. Why we use U symbol? U data type. Why we got U data type? Why you always be dumb? I don't understand. Every time is wasting like this. But if I want to tell you something, if you don't respond, it's not good way to tell you. Because if you don't know what it is, then you are unfit to learn other topics. That's right. Alright. I'll be removing the mic access. What is U1? U1 is nothing but unique code, guys. It holds one bit of data. Got it. This is what we go with. Text. I want one here. I want guys, do you feel there will be any change? See here, it has printed again U1. Unique code is always mostly combined of numeric and alphabets, and also they can be written in the form of string. Okay. Let's see some more example. Get the data type of an array containing string. Import numpy as np, where array equals to np dot array, that is apple banana cherry I have taken, where print array dot data type. What will be the data type? Print string, right? Let's do this. Okay. I want to print this string guys. So what I'm doing, I'll be passing a string Same like numerical, passing a string. I'll be running it. You can see U6. It is holding 6 bytes of data. Alright. This is how we check for the data types. Creating arrays with defined data type. Already with predefined data type will be creating arrays. Let's see how we create. Import numpy as np. Array equals to numpy dot array. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Data type equals to s. Print array dot data type. Now we are done with that concept. Like import numpy as np, where array equals to np dot array, where we'll be taking the array as 1, 2, 3, 4, data type as string. We want to print the array, so print array dot data type. What we'll be getting? You can see here. We'll be getting B1, B2, B3, and B4. It's a kind of unique data type. For integer, float, string, and Unicode, we can define the size as well. For example, what we have taken is import numpy as np, where array dot np array, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Data type is i4. Print array data type, where output is 1, 2, 3, 4 in 32. This is not at all good, right? Reading like this, it doesn't make sense. I know. Let's run this code. You don't need any output to the printed. Let's run this. What we got? We got that particular array to be array as like printed here, where it is mentioned its type, which data type it belongs to, that is int 32, because it can hold the 32 bytes of data. Got it? Next, What if a value cannot be converted? If suppose in elements few values are unable to convert, right? Let's see. This is how we'll be converting the values. Where value error in Python, value error is faced when the type of passed argument to a function is unexpected or incorrect. Which is incorrect and which is unexpected. That things will be passed. Got it. Change data type from float to integer by using int as parameter. That was the question for this. So what we do is import numpy to np where array equals to np dot array, that is 1, 1.1, 2.1, 3.1. Let's get into another topic. Next, numpy array copy versus view. I think I have told you copy versus view concept already. What is copy and what is view? Have anyone remembered? Alright. You know this difference, right? I'll be simply telling you again. The main difference between copy and view of an array is that copy is a new array and the view is also a view of the original array. If anything changes in copy, it will not affect any of the operation. Where in view, if anything disturbed or anything changes, it will not accept it. Where next point is the copy owns the data and any changes made to the copy will not affect originally. Sorry. And any changes made to the original array will not affect the copy. The view does not own the data Any changes made to him? Copy, what we'll do is we'll be getting two arrays, but we will be changing. If we want to change something, that will be displayed only on the duplicate array which is created. Even in view also, whatever the um, whatever the things are there will be like what we'll do. We'll be adding one more thing to it. Got it? In view they'll be like giving for what it is like. In view what we do is like we'll be taking one kind of data like 1 2 3 4, and it will be same as when you copied it, but when you do any execution automatically both will affect. That is called view. Alright, here it is an example here like copy for copy. You can see this example here where copy equals to make, for example, make a copy, change the original array and display both arrays. Import numpy as np, array equals to np dot array 1 2 3 4 5, where x equals to array dot copy. Array of 0 equals to 42. Once let's execute this code, we'll be getting a clear idea about it. I want to get array to be printed. Let's run this. Running this. Invalid syntax, it is showing invalid because there is value should be let's run it again. You can see here what we got the output 42, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be affecting only the original part. It is not affecting any kind of required part. Alright. Next, if I take array of 0 equals to some sort of 59. Let me run this. What I got? 59. In which place we are substituting that value? In zeros place. I hope you got it. This is what it leads with. This is all about copy, where view equals to make a view change the original array and display both arrays. Where output is 42, where you can see here in programming program array equals to np dot array, where 1 2 3 4 5 into so we'll be copying this example and we'll be doing this. Import numpy as np, where and array equals to numpy dot array, that is 1 2 3 4 5 I have taken, where I want to print the x equals to array dot view. Copy and view have little different values. Copy always what it do is like it will not allow any duplicate values for the main thing. The main concept will not allow any duplicate values. In view, what it do is it will be in view it will be like what it is. It will be allowing values which is duplicate in any kind of aspect. It will be adding duplicate values at any aspect. Let's invalid syntax. Why? Please print here and print x. Okay, we have we want to get printed with array and x values, right? You can see here what it has to do. Guys, are you able to follow me? 42, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be printing the same value. If you even like give it some sort of 5, 6, 7, 8, it will give the same value. Correct. Okay. Next, making view change the view and display both arrays. What we have to do is we should make a view, change the view and display both arrays. How we will be doing? Where we'll be using that import numpy function, numpy value, numpy as np will be importing where array equals to numpy dot array, that is 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Someone is waiting long. Let's see what is array shape. Shape of an array. The shape of an array is the number of elements in each dimension. We'll be checking the shape of an array based on the number of dimensions it is using. Like, a particular code, you have 2D, 3D, right? So in that case, it will be choosing the NumPy arrays have an attribute called shape that returns a tuple with each index having the number of corresponding elements. I think you got it right. NumPy arrays have attribute called as shape. It will be having some attribute called as shape that returns a tuple with each index having the number of corresponding elements. It is nothing but it will have a shape called as shape as its attribute, where that returns a tuple with each having the number of corresponding elements. This is what they have given. Print the shape of will be getting the shape of an array based on dimension. For example, let's take this code. Let's run this. We want to run this, right? Else is how to run this. See here, we got 2 comma 5. But why we got 2 comma 5? We got 2 comma 5. What is the array shape then? Array is 2-dimensional, guys. It is 2-dimensional where pi tells the position of element. Got it? Guys, are you understanding? Okay. Let's discuss what the topics we have learned all these days. Let's go with them. Every week we have to revise that, or else we'll not be getting anything. We'll not be able to get what we are learning. I can go into more other topics also, but I hope it's not needed. Even array reshaping also, I think we have completed. Someone has messaged me regarding length of the string concept. I have already told you that we have completed many concepts in NumPy where we'll be discussing this reshaping concept, unknown dimension, flattening the arrays later. We have many more topics to cover. We'll be covering this, we'll be completing this NumPy by the end of the week. Not only end of the week, we'll be completing in 2 to 3 days. So for now, tell me what we have learned in these all days. I need to hear from you. Guys, are you there? Tell me what are the concepts we have learned and what are the concepts you are lagging in. Because taking more than 40 minutes of class, you are getting bored and even no one responding, right? Even I can't take the class. And before that, I'm telling you one thing, don't try to act smart. Like, don't make any kind of naughty things and nuisance. Don't create any kind of nuisance in the class. I hope you'll be like mm, you'll not make any kind of noise like this. Guys, tell me what is mm, why do we use relational operators? What is the use of relational operators? What is meant by an attribute? What is meant by method? I'll be having lots of doubts rather than you guys because you will not have any kind of doubts, right? Length of the string. Like if I was like I have lots some number of elements in a string. I want to know where is the fifth element. What we use the concept. Guys, anyone there? Am I talking to the walls or you? You are not at all responding, guys. If you can't respond, I can't do anything. I thought of taking the class for 1.5 hours, but you guys are not at all responding properly. Not even uttering a word. What it is. I was born teaching you the concept of all the topics, but you are unable to follow me. That's why I was stopping it in the middle and I was asking you questions because I don't get a proper response from you. I must get proper response from you guys. Without your cooperation, I can't go forward. At least tell me what is a list? We are talking about arrays here. What is a list? Tell me about that concept. These are the basic concepts, but you are not able to understand. If you don't practice, if you don't get understand, you will not get anything. It's waste of time, it's waste of money, and your energy, everything will be wasted. Got it. Will not at all say something like, oh, how many questions I asked? Haven't opened. No, at least one. Haven't, don't know the answer or not able to tell the answer. You can ask you if you are not able to say the answer, you can text in question and answer box. Okay. Collection of data is list. How do we denote the list? What are the braces we'll be using for the list? Okay, done. Only 434 is in the class, right? No other people were responding at all. Is only that girl or guy is listening to the class, not anyone is in the class or not, I don't understand. Only she is responding. Surely I don't know. Only that particular person is responding me. Your seniors are far better than you. Every time asking you for a response because I will be telling something you will not understand. If I was going into deep, you'll say we don't know that concept or we are not following. That's why I have clearly told you the basics of every topic 2 to 3 times so that you may be following them. So it would be easy, right? But you guys are not at all following it. Guys, what is indexing? What is slicing? Number 425. On your mic mark. 425. I have explained for, yeah. Open your mic. 425. I need to hear you all today. And simply owning the class and simply throwing the phone somewhere and watching TV or sitting with some other laptop or making simply chit chatting is not so-called internship. You must practice parallel to me. You should ask doubts. If I ask you to say some doubts, it's not like you'll be creating some kind of doubts to yourself because if we always without listening you can't ask the doubts. You may be asking the doubt from searching by Google, if I say so. Many of the people will be doing that. I know. I was asking you to interact with me. I'm not telling anything, right? If the answer is correct or wrong, I will not judge you based on that. I told you many times. And even I judge, you don't get anything, even I don't get anything. Should I continue with the NumPy or can I go with the basics for today? It's up to you. Because till now I have asked you many questions. I think only 10% of people also very hard to know about them, I think. If you say I know you know everything, then I'll be going to advanced concepts. Or else we'll be lagging in basic concept itself. We'll be stick on to the basic concept until you are perfect with the basic concept. From tomorrow, I'll be giving assignments, so you should complete it and you should submit. Because leaving you like this, you will not make make any kind of progress. I was thinking you'll be finding you'll be starting your programming, like you'll be improving your programming skills. You'll be starting doing some coding so that you will be able to know what Python is or what any kind. You'll be learning some Python programming language, right? Not only Python, you'll be learning. You can do with any kind of other language, but Python is very comfortable to learn first. Python and C++ are the basic C languages, the basic languages you can learn first. Have you guys remembered about indentation? What is indentation? How many types of comments are there? You will never change. You will never respond. Guys, should I go with NumPy concepts? Raise your hand. If you want me to go with previous basic concepts, just react something. Because wasting of time is like we don't find it again, right? Only one. No one wants to listen to like NumPy concepts or even basic concept. No one are willing, right? Others can leave the class. 426 you stay here and others can leave the class. I'll be telling only to him. And 434 also you can stay. because they both are at least responding for something. No one here is responding, or no one are interested to listen the class, right? I'll be teaching only for them. Why do I need you all guys here? Chalo, I'll go with Nampai. Wherever you like, if you don't understand a concept, I don't need it. No problem. How we will reshape an array. Reshaping means nothing but changing its position. Like by using its dimension, we'll be changing the position of particular array. We'll be reshaping the array by using it. The shape of an array is the number of elements in each dimension. It depends on the number of elements in each dimension. By reshaping, we can add or remove dimensions or change number of elements in each dimension. I hope you got it. Right. Okay. What is reshaping? Reshaping means changing the shape of an array. The shape of an array is the number of elements in each dimension. By reshaping, we can remove dimensions or change number of elements in each dimension. What here we are telling is we can change the dimensions or any kind of by giving some kind of new elements, by adding some kind of new elements, we can change the dimension, change the shape of an array. Let's see here with an example. Convert the following 1D array with 12 elements in 2D array. The outermost dimension will have 4 arrays, each with 3 elements. What it is here, that you want to reshape 1D array to 2D array, which consists of 12 elements. So, how we can it is telling that outermost dimension will have 4 arrays. 4 arrays with 3 elements. 4 threes are 12, right? We want 4 arrays with 3 elements. So we have written a code. We'll be implementing it here. reshaping the array. How we are reshaping? We are reshaping the 12-digit single 1D array to 2D array by using, like, I want only four different arrays with three elements. So now what I have written here, new array equals to array dot reshape 4 comma 3. Let's run this. You can see here we got 4 arrays with three set of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in 2D array. Because it has only 2 braces. Got it? It's a 2D array. Next. Next 1D to 3D array. How we can convert 1D to 3D array? Here you can see the question. Convert the following 1D array with 12 elements into 3D array. The outermost dimension will have 2 arrays that contain 3 arrays. What it is saying is, the outermost dimension will be containing 2 arrays, which is containing 3 arrays, each with 2 elements, which consist of twelve elements into 3D array. The outermost dimension will have 2 arrays, where that contains 3 arrays, each with 2 elements. Each array will be having 2 elements. Totally it is consisting of 2 arrays that consisting of simply two arrays again. I'll show you the code you will be getting to understand. Yes, printed C. what we have done is, because no time, right? We have imported numpy as np, where array equals to np dot array, that is up to 12 elements we have given to that. After that, what we have taken new array equals to array dot reshape, that is 2 comma 3 comma 2. I want to reshape the array, that is 2 comma 3 comma 2. That means I want two dimensional, like 2 dimensions, I mean 2 different arrays with 3 different arrays which consist of 2 elements. Got it? Here you can see I have taken 3 braces everywhere. After that, what I was thinking, I want to get 2 arrays, 1 and 2. Now after that, what it is saying, it wants 2 numbers, that is 2 elements, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Understand? This is how we will be getting the output. Here again we got return, copy or view. Check if the returned array is a copy or view. It is asking us to check whether the given array have returned is copy or view. Let's check it. Here is the code. Okay, I want to know whether it is a copy. Running this. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is printed. What we have as to reshape 2 and 4. 2 comma 4, right? Does it consist of any change? Original array has been printed. There is no change, right? So it is said to be copy. If the values have changed, then it is said to be view. All right. Next. Unknown dimension. What is unknown dimension? See here, you are allowed to have one unknown dimension. You don't need to have, there's no need of specifying a particular or exact number for one of the dimensions in a reshape method. Got it? No, we don't need to specify any exact number of particular dimension in reshape method. You can simply pass -1 as a value, so that in NumPy it will calculate this number for you. Guys, are you getting me? If we don't know the unknown dimension, then what we say This -1 will be what, which dimension it is. Got it? I think you are getting this point, right? This is how we'll be finding the unknown dimension. Let's see the example. What I have taken here, I have imported numpy as np where array equals to numpy dot array. I have defined an array where new array equals to array dot reshape. That is 2 comma 2 comma -1. We'll be using -1 to get the array dimension. Right. Print new array. Let's run this program. Let's see how it goes. You can see here we are getting 2D array. It's a 3D array. We are getting 3D array for particular program. You can see here, right?
Waiting for others to do.
So this is how it will be printing. We don't know what it is. Like what is the dimension of particular array. So we have given that -1 to get what you can see 3 with 2 elements. Because with that, right? 2 dimension with 2 elements. -1. This is how it works. Guys, any doubts? If you get doubts, it's a big deal. If you don't get it, it's routine, it's common thing. Right. Guys, if you wanna suggest something, you can tell me. Like, am I going very speed or very slow, or should I teach um, somewhat better? You can suggest me something because I'll be learning. Even I'll be learning to teach you by teaching you. Right. I don't say I'm perfect in everything, but I know little more than you guys. That's it. I know something more. That's it. I'm not perfect because no one will be that much perfect at some aspect, according to me. I was in a learning stage even, like just like you. So I'm telling you, just practice the code. Just go through the theory part and practice the coding. Like we have hacker rankers, Geek code, Geek for Geeks, Java T Point. We have many more websites to learn coding or some kind of technologies. We have Actually, our previous generations will not have any kind of these kind of so that's why I'm telling you to practice always, because you'll be, if you practice more, you'll be able to easily able to crack the aptitude reasoning as well as coding exams. There's no need of preparing at that moment. There's no need of by hearting anything. If you start it from now, there's no need of getting through them. You'll be very perfect without any practice. Just practicing a single code a day, like simple codes. In Hacker Ranker, you'll be finding from basic code. And it is mostly referred like mostly companies will be judging your performance based on the Hacker Ranker. I hope few of you know about this Hacker Ranker website, right? Anyone? Anyone know about Hacker Ranker website? If not, just visit once. You will be getting to know about it. At least you will be getting to understand some concepts. You will be having lots of things to practice. Even Geeks for Geeks is the best platform, but I'll be suggesting you only if you know the advanced programming. You can visit the Geeks for Geeks, because with the basic knowledge you can't solve the problems in Geeks for Geeks. Okay guys, you can leave for today. Let's meet in tomorrow's class. See you.